In this example, we need to solve the equation cotx is equal to sin x for values of x from 0 to 360 degrees. Now, cot x is equal to cos x over sin x. So we require that sin x is not equal to 0 for this equation to exist. Now we check this into the original equation there. So we are going to be having cos x over sin x is equal to sin x. We do the cross multiplication, multiply sin x both sides. That's going to give us cos x is equal to sin squared x. But from trig identities, you know that sin squared x is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. So we just take this into that. That means we are going to have cos x is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. That's fine now because the equation is all in terms of cos x, so it's very easy for us to solve. Now, rewriting this equation, we have cos squared x plus cos x minus 1, and that gives us a 0. Okay, now you cannot factorize this by inspection. So the best way to go is to use the quadratic formula. And that's going to give us cos x is equal to 1 over 2 minus 1 plus or minus the root of 15. Now, when we solve that, we are going to get this value or this value. But this value here has to be rejected because there are no values of cos x that give us such. Because we have cos x here being defined within this range. So that value up there is out of bounds. Now, we need to solve for x now. We say x is equal to arc. I'm sure you're familiar with this notation. Arc cos 0,618. And that gives us a critical value of x, that is 51,8 degrees. Now, since we have the critical value, the general solution for cos x gives us x is equal to plus or minus 51,8 degrees plus k multiplied by 360 degrees. And in this case, k is an element of all the integers. What do we mean by integers? We are saying these are values of k starting from 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. This goes to infinity, to positive and negative infinity. Now, we'll check out the values that are out of our range when we plug in the values of k there. If we put k is equal to 0, we're going to have x is equal to plus or minus 51,8 degrees. But we reject the one that is a negative because it's out of our range. That means we're going to have the first value of x there being 51,8 degrees. Now, we put k is equal to 1. We have 51,8 plus 360. That's going to give us 411,8, I'm pretty sure. And that is out of our range as well. But if we take the one with the negative, we are going to have 51,8 minus 360. That's going to give us 308,2 degrees. The rest of the values of x that we're going to get for these integers are not in the given range. So we conclude that these are the values of x for that equation. And this brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.